mentioned at the beginning of the video about these mysterious flashing street lights and basically an entire parking lot of cars. The lights, the hazard lights, were all flashing for unknown reasons. Robert, video out of Tampa, St. Petersburg, Florida, 12/15 of 2024, last night. Check this out. Look at these lights along the sidewalk, flashing for unknown reasons. He'd never seen that before. Here's video number 2. Same situation. Griselda Rivera out of Harlingen, Texas, 12/15 of 2024. This occurred last night. This video has narration. Here we go. They had absolutely no clue what was happening here. And notice the streetlights, these very tall 35-foot streetlights flashing mysteriously for unknown reasons. They had never seen that. And it was just certain lights, not all of the lights in the area, just certain lights. Notice how they're flashing. See that? Unbelievable. Oh, this gets better. You're going to see even more examples of this. Here's video number 3 of a collection of videos that I put together. Skylar, also 12/15 of 2024. Notice the lights flashing very, very rapidly. Those are street lights, flashing for mysterious, unknown reasons. Check this out, video number 4. This is a series of videos that I put together of the dozens that have been coming in. Naperville, Illinois, Courtney Range, once again, 12/15 of 2024. Was there some sort of an EMP last night that was interfering with electricity and the flow of electricity? Look at these cars in this parking lot. The hazard lights are flashing on the majority of the cars sitting in this parking lot, but no alarms. Just the lights flashing. What? Now we have street lights, large and small, like you see right here, flashing, pulsing for unknown reasons. These are 3 examples. This is out of St. Petersburg, Tampa, Florida, and I received 2 other locations. I believe one was out of Texas, of large, like parking lot lights, pulsing for unknown reasons. Things are starting to get very, very interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.